Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. You need some information laptop, I mean the Acer Aspire 5. This is the right place. So don't waste the time, let's go.
The Acer Nitro 5 seems like a smaller, less powerful version of the Acer Predator Triton 300. It is, actually, even though the versions, series, and everything in between are different. Considering the specs, it runs The Sims 4 at decent FPS, almost as if it knows where the middle point between the minimum and recommended game requirements is. The CPU is Intel Core i5-10300H. Yes, I know what I said about Core i5 above, but this isn't 7th but 10th general. It has 4 cores and 8 threads that combinedly produce 8764 CPU mark. The clock speed of 2.5 GHz can be jacked up to 4.5 GHz, which is again, decent. Notwithstanding the CPU's limitations, you'd still be able to play The Sims 4 just about right. However, bear in mind that you may have to curb playing any other game or performing any other task when you're playing the game. Also, there could be slight bottlenecking when you're playing more than one expansion pack. The laptop wins in this department with its NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. This is an advanced version of the GTX 1060, so you'd be getting better frames per second than what the recommended specs would give you. The Game Debate or GD community gives it a 44 rating out of 100 because it only produces about 65 FPS in the FPS system benchmark. That does not mean that your game would perform poorly. It's just about the limitation of the card. It is well over its limits for The Sims 4, but when it comes to playing bigger AAA titles, you'd see that limitation.
This is short information video about the Acer Aspire 5. I hope like this. Bye bye.